Hello and welcome to Accordion Joy. I'm Nicola and I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on this beautiful musical adventure together. Whether you are holding an accordion for the first time or just curious about how it works, this video is the perfect place to start. Today we'll explore the parts of the accordion, how to handle it properly, and the different types of the accordion out there. Ready? Let's jump right in. So let's start by getting to know the accordion. This instrument might look complex, but once you break it down, it's quite straightforward. On the right hand side, we have the keyboard. This is where you play the bass, just like a piano. On the left hand side, we have the bass buttons. These create chords and bass notes that provide the accompaniment. In the middle, we have the bellows. These are the heart of the accordion, pushing air through reeds to produce sound. It's like the lungs of the instrument. Above the keyboard and the bass buttons, here, you'll find register switches. These change the tone of the accordion, giving it a range of voices. So, here as well. Alright. These four main parts work together to create the unique, rich sound of the accordion. Next up, let's talk about how to handle your accordion. Proper posture is key to playing comfortably and efficiently. So start by sitting on the edge of your chair with your feet flat on the ground. Strap the accordion securely so it feels stable against your chest, which means in addition to this, left strap should be shorter and right strap should be longer, as you can see it on my accordion, and the whole instrument sits on the left leg. So you put the right strap on the right shoulder. This is the right part of the accordion, goes to the right shoulder. Left strap on the left shoulder. Alright, your left arm should comfortably reach the button. So you have also one more strap here. You need to put the hand inside and just, try to reach with this part of the hand, this part of the accordion. So when you put your hand inside, this would be like a good measure, that hand is not too much out and not also too much inside. So like something like this. All right. So, and your right hand should reach, should just rest naturally on the keyboard. So from this position, don't put the shoulder up. Shoulders are always down to relax, and the hand from this position, right hand, goes naturally on the keyboard. So in the elbow is a little bit outside, not like this, but not also inside, a little bit outside, and the fingers are above the keys. So to think about holding an apple, for example, in hand. So, and yeah, that's it. When using the bellows, keep your movement smooth and controlled. Good posture not only helps you play better, but also prevents fatigue and strain. So, finally, let's take a quick look at the two main types of the accordions, the piano accordion and the button accordion. Piano accordion is the type of accordion that I'm playing today. It features keyboard similar to a piano on the right-hand side, making it a popular choice for beginners. And the button accordion replaces the keyboard with rows of buttons. It's often smaller and lighter, and while it might seem tricky at first, it offers great versatility. Which one is right for you? It depends on your musical background and preferences. Both are fantastic instruments, and the principle you learn here apply to both types. So now you know the basics of the accordion parts, how to handle it, and the types available. In our next lesson, we'll dive into your first sound and notes. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning an instrument is a journey filled with joy and discovery. I'll see you in the next lesson.